Prepayment is a facility offered by banks to allow a borrower to repay their loan before their stipulated repayment tenure. The prepayment can be done in parts or in full. Part prepaying your home loan reduces its tenure and saves you lakhs in the form of reduced interest payment. This makes prepayment one of the best uses of any extra liquidity or windfall gains that might come your way. But there are still a few things to consider before going in for a prepayment. Most banks have a lock-in period ranging from 1 to 3 years, during which you are not allowed to prepay the loan. However, floating rate loans have no lock-in periods as per RBI guidelines. Prepaying before the lock-in period can result in a prepayment penalty, so a proper cost-benefit analysis is vital before making this decision, considering the reducing balance method used for interest calculation, meaning the interest component is higher during the beginning and reduces as the tenure decreases. It is also worth considering other high-return investments that could outperform your prepayment savings. Another way you can save lakhs on your home loan is by refinancing your loan with a lender offering lower interest rates. Not sure how? All you need to do is sign up at the MyMoneyKarma website. You can get started right away by following the link below.